A team of Green Tech Foundation members cleaned the Umkhrah river on Saturday, which is one of the most polluted river in Shillong. Known as a river with pristine clear water, but over the years have succumbed to urbanization, Umkhrah has been one of the top priority lists for cleanup. Chairman of Green Tech Foundation H. Bansiudor Nonglang has called upon the coordination of citizens for cleaning the river. He informed that before cleaning the river, the team has disinfected it and used both an mesh net to fish out the solid wastes.
TPI ka bangi install lang ni. Walay nga ang ka TPI na marka include lang ka. Ngin pa siyang man kren suara ka kam ay kata ka kam jungi kan sawa ka. Okay, tangkatahi ba sa kaway man taban leaf yu ni waste ni penon kam da ka inflatable boat kata kalong ba ihaban sunya ka tu penon kam lagi ni ki tiar ban tong man yu tiksa tab perni nang tak sa dispose ang tay.
To mark the celebration of International Women's